Shanghai, Jian Ye Li has 55 restored shikumen villas from the 1930s. Le Comptoir de Pierre Gagnaire over French dishes. While Le Bar is one of 58 Forbes Star Bars with cocktail like Sometimes Ever, Sometimes Never. Nearby, Emme curates 1,000 global products. Tester serves experimental Chinese plates, think tuna cheong fan since 2018. Sui Tang Li at the Middle House offers 21 dish Bashu Impression Menu until October. Changyuan, dating back to 1882, now blends heritage with cafes and galleries like Yuan Ling at number 41 in Block W16. Prada Rongchai, one of 5 Fondation Prada venues, holds a kind of language from November 2025 to January 2026. Westbourne's Long Museum holds panorama with 200 bronzes and more. Tanks Shanghai repurposed old fuel tanks for galleries and green space. Photographiska Shanghai opened in 2023, turned a former bank warehouse into a photography museum with cafe, gelato, and rooftop bar views.